I'm a daydreamer, head in the clouds, one man crowd, starving for the recognition, screaming it loud. Music's my escape from these dark, dreary days. In the shadows I just wait until that sweet look plays. When I'm on the mic it's like nothing else matters. I release from the pain of the brain as it batters at my window. Cocky cunt, I swagger when I tiptoe. I leave jaws dripping like a pervert at a strip show. I'm problematic, locked up in mommy's attic. Mr. Acrobatic, make my next step drastic. I've got my problems, but who hasn't, man? Fuck it. I don't shed tears, I face fears and cry buckets. So take this disc and listen to my lyrics as I burn my soul. Let other people hear it, let the music take control. The genre's taking off now, that's the way it seems. The song's background music for daydreaming. I'm a daydreamer, living only for music. Spit clearer, select a thought and I'll use it. Fame's nearer, the past there if I choose it. Daydreamer, without music I'll lose it. I'm a daydreamer, living only for music. Spit clearer, select a thought and I'll use it. Fame's nearer, the past there if I choose it. Daydreamer, without music I'll lose it.
They all think I'm past it, but I'm still on that mad shit. 42-year-old with a soupy can and a hatchet, starting fights with cunts of half of my age. Cause I was mental in my former days, and though my youth fades, my bottle stays. I had the wife and the wains, but every night I was playing. I've not seen them in years now, and I don't know quite where they're staying. I'm unemployed, but I've got other ways of getting my pay. You find me lying in the gutter at the end of the day, selling yet to fund my alcoholic hashish coke habit. But I don't have a problem, I just like to get mad with it. Waiting for my mate to pick us up in the BM, chatting up a bird, I'm moving up, wait and see hen. Fuck man, I'm still in my prime, still on the corner with my wine. I'll leave my masses, I'm just biding my time. I'll make so much dough that they cunts got me. Then I'll retire to an island off the coast of who the fuck knows where. I'm a daydreamer, cruising round the same 4 streets in my mate's Beamer. Tinted windows and sports seats in my year's cheaper. I'm your personal postie, I'm a daydreamer, just a regular nobody. I'm a daydreamer, cruising round the same 4 streets in my mate's Beamer. Tinted windows and sports seats in my year's cheaper. I'm your personal postie, I'm a daydreamer, just a regular nobody.
It's that time of night, I'm locked up in the lockdown. I wish I ditched that lock back, cause look at what I've got now. I'm in a madness, it's caused misery inside. It's conscious whips at me, spits at me, alone in the darkness. Home is where the heart is, but I've no home to call my own. There's no one I can speak to, so it's just as well there's no phone. I lie alone in bed, it hurts that they want me dead, but I took something from them, wish I slit my wrist instead. My youth taken from me, all I did was abuse it. I swear the bleed was just for show, I'd never ever use it. That wasn't me that night, the drinking powder dimmed the light. Stumble in a ditch looking for a fight, or so I'm told. Honestly I can't recall a thing, I'm cold. Wish I was a boy again, tell me that I'm good as gold. You do the crime, you do the time, it only goes one way. Maybe I'm the lucky one, I'll be out someday. I'm a daydreamer, sit alone in a cage, silent screamer for the rest of my days. And here it's a struggle, just to keep clean, in a zone all alone, drift away in my dreams. I'm a daydreamer, sit alone in a cage, silent screamer for the rest of my days. And here it's a struggle, just to keep clean, in a zone all alone, drift away in my dreams.
I worked my way to the top, I'm a successful architect who was unlucky in love, until I tried the internet and met a blonde beauty. Works in a nursing home so she spends her nights on duty. She's so good to me I bought her jewellery, I love her dedication. She comes in so tired every morning, so much we've no did it in months. But we've had time for talking, properly bonding, that's what she calls it. People say it's money, but she married me for my looks, no my wallet. I can tell when she smiles she's having genuine fun. We've something special, I'm not threatened by the heads that she spun. As if another one would come into my residence run and take away with them the only evidence that I won. No, never a sweeter kiss than for patient lips. That's why I always stay awake and wait on her, replaying our relationship. With the I say to folk who swore it was doomed. Aye, she's cheating, but she told me that she'll stop it soon. I'm a daydreamer, bought my love at an auction. I'm my babe's keeper, she only cost me a fortune. When my mates see her, they get jokey and laughy. I'm a daydreamer, getting took for a dafty. I'm a daydreamer, bought my love at an auction. I'm my babe's keeper, she only cost me a fortune. When my mates see her, they get jokey and laughy. I'm a daydreamer, getting took for a dafty.